Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 and I'm gonna show you how to edit the app menu on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the upper or the lower button, and now we need to open the app menu. To do it, press the lower button and here we have the app menu. To edit it, we need to press and hold on one icon to enter the edit mode, and here we can do a few things. We can remove the app or uninstall it by tapping the minus button on it and then tapping the check mark to confirm. We can also change the position of the icons on the list. To do it, simply press and hold on one and then drag it to the position you want it to be in. For example, let's drag it to the top right here and release it like that. And once you're done editing, simply press the upper button to exit the edit mode, like this. We can also change the style of the app menu. To do it, open the settings by tapping this icon right here, and settings. Let's tap on apps, and here we have layout. Let's select it, and we can select rotary view or list view. If you select list view, your app menu will be a list instead of like this circle thing around the screen. And here we have our app menu, like that. You can also edit the app menu by using the phone app. So let's bring our phone right here, open the Galaxy wearable app on our phone, tap on apps, and here we can tap on layout to change the layout of our apps. Let's go back to rotary. Below we can tap on reorder right here to enter the edit mode, and again we can change the positions of the icons on the list like that. Then tap save, and the setting should be applied, so let's check it, and it did. And we can also scroll down right here, tap on manage apps, and here we have list of apps on our app menu. We can hide some by tapping the minus button next to one, like this. They're gonna be in the hidden apps list right here. If you tap save, the apps should be gone from the app menu, and as you can see, they are. You can also again unhide the apps by tapping the plus button and save. And here we are back. Here we have them back again. And you can also uninstall the apps by tapping the bin icon right here, selecting the app you want to remove, tap uninstall, and tap uninstall again to uninstall it. You can also select multiple apps if you want to. Okay. And that's how you edit the app menu on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.